Today I will show you how to make this presentation in PowerPoint. Open a blank slide. Go to View and click on Guides. Go to Design, click on Colors and select Blue-Green. Go to Format Background and choose a gradient fill. Go to Shapes, select Rectangle, and insert it in half of the slide. Hold Shift and crop it to 1/4 of the slide. Change the color and set the outline to no outline. Go to Shadows and choose one to your liking. Duplicate the rectangle. Drag it to the side so that half of the slide is covered. Press Ctrl and D on your keyboard 2 more times. Change the colors. Insert your text. Go to Shapes and insert a small triangle. Change the outline to no outline. Change the color to the corresponding color of the rectangle. Rotate it 90 degrees towards the right. Align it with the rectangle. Duplicate it for each rectangle and change the color to the corresponding color. Select the content of the first rectangle along with itself and the triangle and group them by pressing Ctrl and G. Repeat for each. Make sure that the first rectangle is at the front and the last rectangle at the back. Duplicate the slide and go back to the first slide. Move the other rectangles behind the first rectangle. Select all rectangles by pressing Ctrl and A, and move them towards the left. Insert a text box. Write your text and align it to the middle and center. Duplicate it and write your subtext. Add shadows to both texts. Lastly, add the morph transition to the second slide. Now the presentation is ready.